Good morning students. In previous video, I explained some important problems based on the Archimedes principle. Now, I will explain density of floating bodies. Density of floating bodies. Density of floating bodies. We have just learned that for an object to float in a liquid, okay, the weight of the liquid displaced by it should be equal to its own weight. This can happen if the object has lower density than the liquid. Okay, if however the object has higher density than the liquid, then the weight of the liquid displaced will be less than the weight of the object, and the object will not float. It will sink. We can tell where an object will float or sink in a liquid by comparing its density with the floating of the liquid. Okay, if an object will float in a liquid if density is less than that of liquid. For example, if an object is immersed in a fluid or liquid, okay. Now, if the object is in float, because of here the object is immersed in a fluid or liquid, okay. Now, the body will float on the liquid because of here the density of the body is less than the density of the liquid. That is the reason. Here density of the body is less than the density of the liquid. That means here density of the liquid is more than the density of the body. Density of the liquid is more than the density of the body. Then the body will float. Okay, some examples. If a cork, rubber cork will float on the liquid because of a cork density. A cork density is less than the density of liquid. Okay, density of wood also less than the density of the water or liquid. Then the wood float on the liquid or water. Okay, I will write if first one, an object is float on the liquid. Some objects are sink in the liquid, some objects are float on the liquid because of density of the substance. Density of the substance is more than the density of the liquid, then the body will sink. The density of the liquid is more than the density of the body will float on the liquid. That is the reason. So floating and sinking depends on density of the object. First one, an object will float in a liquid. First one, if an object float in a liquid, if its density is less than that of liquid, see what's diagram. If a body is immersed in liquid or water, now the body float on the liquid because of see on diagram here the body float on the liquid because of the density of the car. From this diagram we can understand here the density of the body is less than the density of the liquid. That's why the body floating on the liquid. So examples. Okay, the density of car is example for this. The density of the car is the density of car is less than the density of water. Less than the density of water. Density of water. So car floats in a water. Here, see one example one. The density of car is less than the density of the water. That's why the car is floating on the water. That's the reason. Okay. Next one. The density of the wood is less than the water. So therefore the wood floats in a water. Okay. Okay, next example, the density of wood is next example now, the density of wood is less than the density of water. So wood floats in water. It is a common experience. Okay, density of car is also less than the density of water. That's why car is floating on the water. Okay. Next one, density of ice. Density of ice. The density of ice is less than the density of water. So ice floats in a water. Floats in a water. Floats in a water. So these are the examples. If an object floats in a liquid, if its density is less than that of liquid, what happens here? Okay, floats in a liquid. These are the examples again. If density of object is less than the density of liquid, then the body floats on a liquid. Okay, these are examples. The density of car is less than the density of water. So car floats in a water. So density of liquid is more here also. Density of liquid is more compared to density of the body. It is the reason. That's why the body is float on a liquid. Next, density of wood is less than the density of water. So wood floats in a water. Next one, density of ice is less than the density of water. So ice floats in water. These are the reasons the body floats in a liquid. These are the reasons. The density of, for example, density of liquid is less than the density of the body will sink. Okay, in next case I will explain. The density of the liquid is less than the density of the body. Then the body will sink. Then the body will sink. Hello students, listen now. If the density of the ice is less than the density of water, so that's why the ice is floats on a water. Now listen, see once this. Now see here, the ice cube is floating because of density of ice is less than the density of the water. So that's why ice cube is floating. See once here, it is a ice cube. Now ice cube is immersed in a fluid or liquid. Here fluid is nothing but water. So that's why the ice cube is floating. Ice cube is floating. What is the reason? The density of ice is less than the density of the water. So that's why the ice cube is floating. The ice cube is floating on a liquid. It is the reason. What is the reason? Density of ice cube is less than the density of the water. That's why it is floating. Now next one, if the density of the cork is less than the density of the water, then it is floats. Listen now, I am taking here vapor rub, Vicks Weber vapor rub. So it is also floating. It is also floating. What is the reason here? It is a rubber object. It is also plastic, nothing but plastic. It is also floating because of a density of this object is less than the density of the water. Density of the water. So that's why it is floating. That's why it is floating. Next one. See here, it is another object. It is also floating. It is also floating. So because of density of this object is less than the density of the water. So that's why it is floating. That's why it is floating. So from this experiment it is clear. From this experiment it is clear. Density of the object is less than the density of the water. Density of the water or fluid, any fluid, then the objects floats. Then the objects float. Okay? Okay na? Then the objects are floats. It is the reason. See once here. Okay, listen students. Next one. An object is in a liquid if density is more than the liquid of density. The object is saying in a liquid if its density is more than that of liquid. That means if a body is immersed in a fluid or liquid or fluid, then the body will sink because of the density of the object is more than the density of the liquid. Listen here. Let us check here whether it is filled with the liquid. Okay, now if an iron object immersed in a fluid, okay, then the iron object will sink because the density of the iron object is more than the density of the liquid. That's why the body will sink. So see here, iron object is reach the bottom of the vessel because of this body density is more than the density of the liquid. Density of the liquid. Some examples. I will write some examples. Okay. And iron. First one. Iron has more density. Iron has more density than water. So iron will sink in water. Will sink in water. Will sink in water. Okay. This is white. This is white. When we nail iron nail means here iron nail. Nail of iron is placed on the surface of water. Surface of water. Water in a immediately sinks to the bottom. What is the reason here? What is the reason? Because of a iron nail is the iron nail density is more compared to the density of the water. That's why immediately it sinks to the bottom. Okay. Now, okay now. Now I will explain with the practical. So now I will explain with the practically. See here. Okay. Now listen. Another one. If the density of the object is more than the density of the water, that means here density of the water is less than the density of the object, then the body will sink. Now I am doing with a 1 rupee coin. Okay. Here, if the body is immersed in a water, see once here, the object is sink because of density of the water is less. Density of the water is less than the density of the object. Here 1 rupee coin. Object is nothing but here 1 rupee coin. That means here density of the 1 rupee coin is more than the density of the water. So that's why it is sink. That is the reason. Listen. If the density of the object is more than the density of the water, then the body will sink. See here. It is a 1 rupee coin. It is immersed in a fluid. Here the 1 rupee coin is sink because of the density of 1 rupee coin is more than the density of the water. So that's why the object is sink. See here. That is the reason. What is the reason? Density of the 1 rupee coin is more than the density of the water. So that's why the object is sink. Okay, from this we can say that density of the object is more than the density of the fluid, then the object is will sink. Then the object is sink. Okay.